Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will read the essay Village Life. The real life is a village life. The people who live in villages know this fact. It is simple and pure. It is quiet and peaceful. There are no hurries and worries of city life. Villagers enjoy the beauties of nature. Beautiful scenes are the greatest charm of village life. There is greenery everywhere. The green plants, vast meadows, and flowery bushes make the village life a great blessing. The fields with growing crops present a beautiful sight. The villagers sit under these trees and enjoy their different activities. Inside a village, there is particularly no vehicular traffic. In some of the big courtyards, there are clusters of shady trees. Outside the village, there is usually a big banyan tree along the pond. Village folk and some of their cattle take rest under its shade in summer. The farmer plows his fields in the morning. The harvest time is very busy. Men, women, and children work together at seed and harvest time. The villagers like the fairs very much. Every year, a fair held in a village. The villagers stop their work and take part in the games and events of the fair. Clever tricks and feats are performed in turn. There are competitions of dancing and beating the drums. These games and activities are a source of happiness for the villagers. They enjoy them fully. Usually, the villagers are innocent, honest, and truth loving. They are very hardworking. They are healthy and active. They are simple in their habits and serious in their manners. In short, village life is an ideal life.